Let's dive into the world of quiet luxury. It's all about that subtle charm that says, I've invested in this piece without the flashy labels. But hey, who says we can't rock this style on a budget? Stick around because you're about to hear some tips and tricks to help you nail this aesthetic. Step 1. Cultivate the right mindset. This look is all about class and sophistication, reflecting wealth and tradition without shouting about it. It's like stepping into the shoes of the lead character in your own life story. Work on your goals, your physique, and securing that bag. Confidence is key. It's the secret ingredient that transforms your appearance from ordinary to extraordinary. Embrace self-assuredness in everything you do, from how you walk to how you engage with others. Step 2. Understand the color palette. To truly embrace this aesthetic, you'll want to stick to earthy tones like brown, beige, black, charcoal, navy, white, and green. These colors are the building blocks of your refined wardrobe. Dive into the psychology of colors, understanding how each shade can evoke different emotions and perceptions. Mix and match them to create a sophisticated, elegant look with ease. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations until you find what suits you best. Step 3. Let's talk logos and labels. Flashy logos? Nah, not for us. Go for clean, unbranded clothes that exude quality and style without needing a brand name to prove it. Trust me, a wardrobe full of well-fitted, unbranded pieces is better than one flashy item amidst budget alternatives. Understand the history and craftsmanship behind clothing brands, appreciating the subtlety of quality over quantity. Make a statement with your style, not your labels. Step 4. Thrift shopping is your friend. If you're watching your budget, thrift stores can be a gold mine. You can find high-end, logo-free brands for a fraction of the price. Plus, thrifted items are unique and not mass-produced, so you're less likely to run into someone wearing the same outfit as you. Explore local thrift stores and don't forget to browse online thrift shops for hidden gems. Delve into the art of thrift shopping, learning the best times to visit stores and the thrill of finding that one-of-a-kind piece. Step 5. Tailoring is key. Wealthy folks swear by well-fitted clothing. So, get a tailor to ensure your outfits fit you like a glove, or consider tailoring an entire outfit. Tailoring isn't just about adjustments, it's an art that can elevate your entire wardrobe. Learn about different tailoring techniques and the importance of measuring your body accurately for the perfect fit. Building a relationship with a skilled tailor can transform your fashion game. Step 6. Prioritize comfort. Minimalist quiet luxury is all about simple silhouettes without extravagant details. Think cozy cardigans, knitted sets, and breezy slacks. These classic pieces imply taste, class, and wealth. You want to look effortlessly comfortable, as if you haven't put too much thought into your outfit, yet you still look like $1,000,000. Step 7. Understand your fabrics. Knowing your fabrics helps you choose and coordinate your outfits better. Stay away from artificial fibers like nylon, polyester, and rayon. They don't drape as nicely as natural fabrics like wool or cotton. When you wear high-quality, natural fabrics, you not only feel better, but also look more sophisticated and put together. Delve deeper into the fabric world, understanding the intricacies of material composition, weaving techniques, and their impact on clothing quality. Step 8. Take care of your hair. Your hair is a part of your overall image, so it's important to keep it healthy and shiny. Regular shampooing and conditioning are crucial. Don't forget to oil your hair too. It can make a noticeable difference in its appearance and texture. Keep your hairstyle simple and well-groomed, reflecting a sense of effortless elegance. Explore different hair care routines, from DIY hair masks to finding the perfect hairstyling products. Step 9. Elevate your shoe game. Footwear matters when it comes to achieving the quiet luxury aesthetic. Leather shoes, loafers, Oxfords, and sandals are your go-to choices. They exude an air of sophistication and wealth. Make sure you've got at least one pair of these classic shoes in your collection. Remember, a good pair of shoes can make or break an outfit. Dive into the world of shoe maintenance, from polishing to selecting the right shoe styles for different occasions. Step 10. Smell the part. To complete your quiet luxury look, pay attention to your scent. Invest in a signature fragrance or mix a couple of affordable scents to create a unique and sophisticated aroma. Your choice of fragrance should be subtle and sophisticated, leaving a lasting impression without overpowering the room. Explore the art of fragrance layering, discovering how to create a fragrance that's uniquely yours. So there you have it, brothers, the ultimate guide to quiet luxury. Please like this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this in the future. This is the very beginning of this channel, so every support and love I could get on this channel would really help me out. See you guys in the next video.